In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove the strike-through effect on your text in Google Docs. Strike-throughs can be handy when you want to show that something has been completed or isn't relevant anymore, but sometimes you need to remove them. Let's dive into the process and show you just how straightforward it is. First, let's start with selecting the text you want to update. This means highlighting the portion of your text that currently has the strike-through effect applied. Make sure you select everything fully, including the beginning and end of the words or phrases, to ensure you remove the strike-through completely. Once you have your text selected, move your cursor up to the menu bar at the top of your Google Docs screen. Click on the Format menu. A drop-down will appear giving you several options. Hover over Text, which will expand another menu with more options. Here you're looking for strike-through. If it's currently applied to your text, clicking it will immediately remove the strike-through effect, leaving your text looking clean and regular again. Now, for those of you who prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard and work a bit faster, there's a shortcut you can use. On Windows, it's Alt plus Shift plus 5, and on a Mac, it's Command plus Shift plus X. Simply select your text and press this combination, and the strike-through will vanish. However, there's one scenario where this method won't work. If you're dealing with a checklist in Google Docs, things operate a little differently. When you check an item off your list, Google Docs automatically applies a strike-through effect. If you find that you've made an error and need to remove it, clicking the checkbox will do the trick. It's a toggle action. Check to add the strike-through and uncheck to remove it. Unfortunately, the Format menu and shortcut won't change the checklist strike-through, so remember this exception. This process is really versatile and works on pretty much any text you want to adjust, except for that little checklist quirk. It's easy, efficient, and restores your document to look exactly how you need it. I hope you found this video helpful in managing your Google Docs with more precision and ease. If you did, please consider giving us a like, leaving a comment with any questions or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials and tips that help you master digital tools in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.